Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going, man? Coming to you from Italy, not Rome, but Italy. All right, so let's talk about restarting Berberine. So one of my favorite brands is Welbet X. Welbet X from iHerb that ships internationally, even to here in Italy. This is 500 milligrams. So the research was, as is mentioned in other videos, 500 milligrams twice or 3 times a day. So restarting it, you shouldn't just dive right in, right, to 1500 milligrams a day. It's going to cause you too many side effects. And please check with your own doctor before you do anything. I didn't mention that berberine is one of its good functions is blood sugar control. It's as effective in the research as metformin. Metformin is a prescription drug. Now, I can't take metformin because it gives me headaches, the long and the short of it. And even when I stop it, I still have a headache for at least a week. I just cannot tolerate it. And berberine, I noticed that if you stop it, you kind of have to start all over again from scratch. So what I've done, a little tip for you guys, is taken the 500 milligram capsule, and I'll show you here, and I've broken it down, just basically opened it up and put half of it, measured it out on a little scale, and put half of it, if you can see that, into another capsule. So I've ordered blank size 00 capsules to make 250 milligrams, the equivalent of 250 milligram tablets for a while. And then I'll slowly, what we call, titrate up from there. They call this nature's Ozempic. I'm not convinced that it really is as good as the prescription drug Ozempic. It may help you reduce weight or keep your weight at a certain level, but that's not what I use it for. I use it for blood sugar control, and it's quite amazing. I've had really good results on it. In the past, I've had like stable 7 blood sugars out of it. The level in Australia, 7. In Italy, they use the American system. I'm quite surprised about that. So the American system, you would multiply that by 18, that figure, 7 by 18, and then you'll get the American figure. So So what have I done to restart? As I said, I even took smaller amounts. There's in here about 150 milligrams of berberine, just to see if my stomach could handle it. Yesterday I was able to handle 250. So I'm going to keep going with 250 for a little while and then go up. And I've been able to get away with 500 milligrams twice a day personally. Anything more than that, then I start having side effects again. Like one of the side effects could be constipation. So then you'd have to counteract that with another drug, which I didn't really want to do exactly. But I have in the past used fiber and then other drugs to deal with that. But if you're getting a benefit at a lower dose, why would you push it? Also, it costs you money, and why would you push it? But as I said, please check it with your own doctor before you do anything. I'm kind of between a rock and a hard place here at the moment. I've got a really good pharmacist, and then I'm waiting for my residency, so I have to go to the hospital if I want any kind of treatment, which is not the best way. I actually have to go to the emergency room if I want any kind of treatment or any kind of prescription. But in Italy, luckily, the main medicine that I take is called Acarbose, and they've got it here over the counter, which is fantastic. I just talked to them today about keeping it in stock for me. So berberine has so many other benefits. Basically do your own research. But as I said, I just mainly take it for blood sugar control, and I've had really good results with that. And at this stage in my life and the way that my diet is, being Italian, and I just cannot just live on protein. I'm afraid I can't do it. I've never been able to do it. I have to have some carbs. So beautiful carbs here, pasta and pizza and bread and whatever. I'm still losing weight, don't worry, because you're more active here. But so it allows me to kind of enjoy my life a little bit and have a little bit of carbs and take these supplements and medicines, which is probably not the ideal way to go. But like if you just had a carnivore diet or a low carb diet or a paleo diet, whatever, your blood sugars would probably definitely improve. But I don't know who likes to live like that. There are rare people that like to live like that. Okay, I hope that helps. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Teacher Sal out. Ciao.